Hey guys, welcome to DonRaph Alpha, where I teach you guys a lot of ways to make money. Before, we are formerly known by Online Money Hunter, but now we discover a lot about online, a lot of things that you can do to make money online. That's why we renew this to DonRaph Alpha. Okay, this is DonRaph speaking. Welcome to DonRaph Alpha, where I teach you a lot of ways to make money. If you are in this video or you mistakenly find our video, just know that it is a blessing to you because we are going to start teaching you a lot of things. Okay, the first thing we are going to start teaching you is AI automation. A lot of people are making crazy amount of money online right now just with AI, with simple AI. A lot of people are making money, and you could be one of them if you follow this channel. Okay, another thing is we are going to be teaching you crypto. We are going to be teaching you a lot because there's some things that I discovered in crypto that I didn't know like 4 to 5 years ago, and I'm going to start teaching you all those things. It's very simple and straight, and we are going to learn together. Another thing we are going to be teaching you is how you can make money, more money on YouTube. Okay, a lot of people are making money. I just want to pour my heart, as in tell you everything I know about how I have been making money online. This is not joke. This is not like let me just motivate you. This is simple step by step what I have been doing to make money, and when you start doing exactly what I'm doing, you are going to make money the way I'm making money. I'm not boasting, but at least I'm trying my best online space. Okay, ask about Online Money Hunter. We have been doing this for years. It's not even today. We started for years and we are still grinding. So another thing we are going to learn is we are going to be learning everything that will make you or that can enable you to make money online legitimately. We are going to be learning everything that will help you to generate money online genuinely. Okay, we are going to be doing that. That's what this particular channel is all about, and I welcome you all to welcome because you are going to understand the reason why you should be in this channel. Okay, I love you guys and I want us to make this money together. If you have already subscribed and turn on the notification bell, just simple type done. I have a gift for you. Okay, I have a gift for you. Just simple say done when you have done that. See you guys at the top.